Welcome to another thrilling opportunity brought to you by iDrop News. We're not just initiating a giveaway, we're inviting you to partake in an event that celebrates the cutting edge of technology, innovation, and community. And what's the highlight of this celebration? The chance to win an Apple Watch Series 9, a masterpiece of design and functionality. At iDrop News, we pride ourselves on being at the forefront of tech news, expert reviews, and spectacular giveaways. Our purpose is to create, engage, and reward our tech-savvy community. Offering the latest marvel from Apple, the Apple Watch Series 9 is our way of deepening our connection with you. The Apple Watch Series 9 isn't just a smartwatch, it's a personal assistant, health coach, and your connection to the world wrapped around your wrist. With its cutting-edge health monitoring features, comprehensive fitness tracking, and seamless integration with your Apple ecosystem, it's designed to enhance your life in countless ways. And with its sleek aesthetics, it makes a statement of sophistication and tech prowess. Entering our giveaway is as exciting as it is easy. Just a few clicks, a moment of anticipation, and the Apple Watch Series 9 could be yours. Whether you're a dedicated iDrop News follower or a newcomer, this giveaway is our way of inviting you into a world where technology enhances every aspect of life. Click on the link in the description or go to iDropNews.com where you can find the giveaway section. Once you're in the giveaway section, find the giveaway you want to enter. Scroll down to the giveaway widget towards the bottom of the post and sign up for the famous iDrop newsletter. You can increase your chances of winning if you follow the rest of the actions mentioned in the giveaway widget. You can also come back daily to get your extra entries. Participation is open to those who are at least 18 years old and reside in the US, Canada, UK, Australia, or New Zealand. Be sure to read our terms and conditions for a full understanding of the giveaway details. Imagine being the one to receive the Apple Watch Series 9. The excitement of unboxing it, the exploration of its features, and the joy of integrating it into your daily life. It all begins with your decision to enter. At iDrop News, our giveaways are more than just events. They're a testament to the vibrant community we've built. A community passionate about the latest in technology, eager for innovation, and always ready to welcome new experiences. By entering this giveaway, you're not just aiming for an incredible prize. You're joining a family of tech enthusiasts. So, what are you waiting for? This is your invitation to join an exciting adventure. Your chance to win an Apple Watch Series 9 is just a few clicks away. Dive into the world of iDrop News, enter the giveaway, and let the journey begin. Good luck, and we're excited to possibly announce you as our next big winner.